Alright guys, hit recap for our 50 box mixer earlier tonight. We'll go with our numbers first. Adam Thielen out of 100. Denzel Ward to 50. Jake Butt to 50. Joe Cool rookie to 99. McPhee, that is out of 100. Julius Thomas to 49. Greg Olsen to 100. Chris Smith to 100. Reggie Bush to 99. Devin Hester, number 350. Julio Jones, number 399. Carlos Henderson to 175. Emmanuel Sanders to 99. And Lawrence Timmons to 50. And our hits. Got all our collegiates first here. Malik Williams goes to the Steelers. Riley Ferguson to the Tampa Bay Bucks. Phil Holtz goes to the Patriots. David Edwards goes to the LA Rams. Hanson goes to the Colts. Robert Nkemdiche goes to Dolphins. Marquise Young, Colts. Willis, black and red, both going to the Colts. Tyler Wilkins, Dallas Cowboys. Kendall Joseph, Chicago Bears. Tevin McCaster goes to the Browns. Alexander Hollins to Minnesota Vikings. Granderson goes to the Saints. Andrew Billings, Cincinnati Bengals. Shelton Gibson goes to Philly. Austin Appleby goes to the Dallas Cowboys. Chad Hansen goes to the Patriots. Kerryon Johnson goes to Detroit. Dion Kane, Indianapolis Colts. New York Giants, Flowers to 99 rookie auto. Star Search for the Texans, Deonta Foreman. Wendell Smallwood, rookie for the Eagles. Eric Decker to $3.99 for Denver. Kevin White, rookie jersey for Chicago. Josh Boyce for New England, number $2.99. Darius Geis for Washington. Jalen Ramsey to 75 for Jacksonville. Troy Nicholas, rookie autograph for the Cardinals. Ardarius Stewart, rookie threads. Reggie Ragland, rookie auto for the Bills. Buck Allen, rookie jersey for the Ravens. Samaje, Saturday swatches for the Redskins. Sony Michel for New England. Riley Ferguson, rookie ticket autograph for the Bucks. Levi Norwood, rookie auto for the Bears. Demarcus Robinson, rookie jersey for the Chiefs. Corey Davis, rookie threads for the Titans. Tyrod Taylor, rookie ticket jersey for the Titans. Rookie Ink, Eli Apple for the Giants. Paxton Lynch, rookie force jersey for Denver. Terrence Williams to 104, RPA for the Cowboys. John Kelly to 99, rookie autograph for the Rams. Drew Brees to 199, Canton Absolutes jersey for the Saints. 600 Panini points for the point spot. Jadeveon Clowney, shirt off my back, letter patch number 5 of 5 for the Houston Texans. And for the Washington Redskins, rookie autograph Brandon Jenkins, that is number 1 of 1 for the Skins. And that is your recap. Thanks for jumping in, guys.